Hello and welcome to Technic Force Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable the OTP verification for cash on delivery in ShopFunnels. Let's start. This is my ShopFunnels dashboard. Here's what you need to do. Scroll on the left sidebar and go to Settings. Click on Settings. Then click on Sales Settings. Scroll down. You can see here, do you want OTP verification for COD? If you want to disable it, just check the box. I want to disable the OTP verification for COD. After checking the box, click Save Setting. And now, whenever a customer purchases your product, then they don't need to verify the OTP. Let me show you an example. Click on Store Content, then click Store. Then choose your store. This is my store. Let me pick up a product. Before purchasing the product, you'll need to go to your store first and click Edit Store. Then go to the order form. Click on the gear icon. Then click on Select Payment Methods. Choose Cash on Delivery. Then save the settings. Now, if I purchased a product, if I click on Continue to Payment, you will notice here there is no Send OTP button or Verify OTP button, and your customer can easily pay the amount. I'll just click here, Pay Now. This is how the disabled OTP works. Meanwhile, if I enable the OTP verification, you will see the OTP verification screen. Again, if I purchased a product, I'll just click here, Buy Now, and purchase the product. You can see an OTP verification screen here. Your customer will need to verify the OTP. This is how you can enable and disable the OTP verification on cash on delivery payment method in ShopFunnels. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.